Let's try to solve this by first assigning numbers. Remember, we cannot assign any number we like. So if we start assigning numbers, let's say that s, let me try and reduce, yes, I use yes, let's say that s, let's say that s is, let's say that s is 60, s is 60, y is 70. If s is 60 and y is 70, so we can introduce this value here called z. Okay, if we introduce z, what then is z? Are you there now? What is z? Are you really here with me? What is z? Are you connected? Is there anyone here with me?
Yes, sir.
So what is z? If s is 60, y is 70, what is z? Thank you. Simple. Z is 50. Okay, so that means z is 50. It also means that here is 50, right? Because we also have SYZ. So that place is 50. Okay, that place is 50. This place is also Z. Is that not? Because that place is also Z. Why is that place Z? Because we also have S and Y. Right? Since the other one is S plus Y plus Z is 180. This place is also S plus Y plus Z. So this place is also Z. Wow. Oh, that place is also Z, and this place is also Z, and it is also 50. Right. Wow. That is, this place is also 50. And so in that case, W is 80. Right? So W is 80. If we do it that way, W is 80. Now, one thing we can do, so W is 80. W equals 80. So let's I think I need to increase this again. Let's S equals 60 and Y equals 70. Z equals 50. Right? Z equals 50. Then W is 80. Is that not? Now, if W is 80, we need to go to the answer immediately and find an option. We go to the options and find the one that where W is 80. Yeah. A rule of thumb will have favor starting from the middle. So let's just keep it now. Let's just keep to the rule of thumb. If we start from the middle, 360 minus 2s minus 2y. So what will it be? That is, this one is going to be, wow, let's use it, let's write it here. That first one, that's 360 minus 120 minus 140 equals what? Is that not going to be 360 minus 260? Is that not? Let's be fast with this. Okay, equals 100. Okay, So it's not correct. We are looking for 80. Okay, let's go to the next one. 180 minus 60 minus 70. 180 minus 130. Okay, 180 minus 60 minus 70 equals 50. The other one, 2x plus 2y. That is 120 plus 140. That is 260 minus 180. 80. Okay. This one I just rushed now. Okay. That is 120 plus 140 minus 180 equals 80. Remember, that is what we are looking for, right? We just select it and go. In as much as the question say, in as much as the question didn't say which of the following must be the value of W. That will have been, if the question says such, it means that there could be two expressions that gives W, but one of them might not be consistent as we vary the values. We can also solve it using other way. But for now, let's check the answer and use the comment section either in the group or I also make it available on YouTube. And see, because I'm also excited that picking number, we have gotten a value. Okay, first, so let me do one thing. Let me take a screenshot of this first. So you can have a screenshot. Is this, so this is a, this is the this is that entire screenshot. Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. No. Can you come up? Can you come on again? Can you come? Can you repeat? Can you pardon? Yes. 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 I think we can. I think we can quickly do that. But remember that you are restricted, right? So we can come up with a new set of value. We can quickly implement that, right? So let's quickly do that. That's a very interesting question. But only note very well that you are limited. We are limited to what type of number we can use, right? I mean, yes, it's out. So we cannot say that S is 100 and Y is 120, which is already more than 180. Okay, so yeah. No, 90. Okay. 90, 60, 30. But why not leave 90 degrees alone? Come up with another set of number. Pico.
Okay.
Just be fast so that the video will not be too long. Yes. 40, 40, 100. Okay, so also vary it. You can take 100, you can vary the 40 40s of 18, maybe 50 30. Okay. Let's say 50 30 100. The 30 60 90 would have also worked. Yeah, because it's still within a triangle. So now let's start checking the answers. But we are not going to waste our time again since we have found the answer. The option A is the answer. Maybe we can try to. Okay, we can try to. Also, we can try to. First, let's try the one that is correct. We want to check if we have 30, if you have 50, 30. If you have 50, 30, remember, in that case, if you have 50, 30, Z will be what? That means Z is in that case Z is what? Z is 100. Yes, Z is 100. You see that Z cannot be 100, right? You see that Z cannot be 100 because 100 plus 100 is, yes, 100 plus 100 is already 200, right? So Z cannot be 100. We can even make it 60 60, right? So Z cannot be 100 first. So yeah, you see when you choose Z cannot be 100. So let's we quickly abandon that, right? Z cannot be 100. But I get the idea. So we know the idea already. So let's quickly change. Let's come up maybe what? 80 60 40. Okay. Let's not have two angle. Let's have something that is not too big. Okay, so okay, maybe 80 60 40. Okay, 80 60 40. So Z is what? Z is 40. Then W is what? W is 100, right? Okay, so W is 100. Okay. Now, so W is 100. Okay, try, check. If S equals 80, Y equals 60. So Y equals 60. W equals 100. W equals 100. Let's go to the answer. Let's go straight to the answer. So W equals 100. So let's check. 2S plus 2Y minus 180 equals 2 times S, 160, plus 2 times 60, 120. 120 minus 180. Sorry, 160 plus 120 minus 180 is what? So it's 100. You see that it will work. And no other one will have so this will work. So this is the answer we have already. But let's also, because I think there is a little space here. There's a space to write. So let's bring in let's try one. Okay, let's say 180. Or let's even try the one we have not tried before, like 180 minus S minus 2Y equals 180 minus S is what? 80. S is,
no, it's plus X.
okay, plus yeah, 180 plus 80 minus 2y is what? 120. Okay, 180 plus 80 is 260. 260 minus 120. 140. So this is bad. Okay, so it doesn't matter, right? Always pay attention when choosing number. What the question said. Making sure that the question didn't say they must. Because if they said which of these must be W, then more than one options might be correct. But only one option will be consistent as you iterate with different numbers. All right. Oh, I think she's supposed to ask how we got Z, not even W. But thank you for explaining. You are giving the exact explanation for W. I think what she's supposed to ask is how we got W, how we got Z, right? Because we didn't select Z. Z is the fruit of x plus y plus z equals 180. I go on a straight line. So 180 minus 80 minus 60 is 40. So that's how we got z to be 40. Then, as she just explained, this place is z. You see that both of this place is z. This place is also z. The first z here is because 180 minus s minus y is z. And this other z here is 180 minus s minus y is z. So they're just the same. Alright. I will make sure that this is available. I will pause the recording and yes, the recording will be available. The screenshot will also be available. I will not screenshot from here. I'm connected, so I will send you the screenshot. One thing that you do, you can also try different numbers. Pay attention to what happened to z. You know, when we got z to be 100, you know that is not going to be a triangle, because if z is 100, 100 plus 100, 200 is already exceed the sum of angle, the sum of angle in a triangle. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. But I'm working on the games. I've improved the games. I've added more games, more topics. For people that have studied that finished studying the words, so I've also added more words, more GRE words, and I've also added more GRE games. I mean more verbal games. Thank you, and see you on Monday at 8 a.m. Yeah, bye.